Hi everyone, welcome back to MondayMedz. As we go into the Skincare 101 feature, I'll definitely say thank you again to Eden Lifestyle. Thank you so much, guys, for this book. Thank you for this book, and I will share a link in the description section that you can connect with them. So, Natural Bible Beauty Remedies. Such a powerful book. It's easy to use and it's very, very thorough. So some of our recipes come out of this book, and yes, one that you definitely want to have.
Welcome to Skincare 101.
Skin, skin, skincare. What is the skin and why do we need to care about it? Now, remember, the skin is the largest organ of your body. The skin is the largest organ of your body. It protects all the other organs, as we know, from head to toe. And so, as we talk about skincare, it is so vital for us to understand how important our skin is. This feature will focus on facial skincare, especially that the skin is all over the body. In later videos, we'll focus on skincare for the hands, skincare for the body, the other parts of the body, and also we will talk about skincare for men. Now, this feature can be used for men and women. However, for men there are more intricate. Well, they think that we are intricate, right? But men do need specialized skincare. So, however, this feature we will share that also men can share these skincare tips. As we talk about skincare 101, this feature is basic skincare. As many of you know, I was a Mary Kay beauty consultant for many years, and one of the things that I always, my customers, those who have, and clients, those who we've done makeovers or pamper sessions, you can attest to this, that I always push for your skincare. Your skin is what you wear. You wear it every day. Even if you wear makeup, and we will do a feature on that. We will do a feature on makeup and all of that. Hopefully early next year, as we line up what we are doing for next year. But yes, you have to make sure that you take care of your skin. This is you. Yeah, this, guys, is you. This is your skin. This is natural you. And so it is important, it is vital that you take care of your skin. This is what people see first too. Your face, your facial skin, right? Your face. And so it is important that as you do your daily routine, we always talk about learning beauty tips. You always talk about cleansing, always cleanse, exfoliating, toning, and moisturizing. There are others, but this is basic skincare. And so we are showing you some natural basic skincare. And the first one we'll show you is one that I recently started using, and it is so wonderful. You definitely have to use it, especially if you're looking for a natural way of cleansing your skin.
So, did you know baking soda can be used to clean or to cleanse your skin? This is one superb cleanser. Of course, we've used it to clean pots and shine places and all of that. So, yes, you can use it to clean your face. You definitely want to wet your skin before applying the baking soda, and you will need to add a few drops of water to the baking soda to make a paste and add it to your face. It will cleanse and exfoliate your face. You also want to do it in an upward motion as gravity is pulling us down. So definitely you want to focus on your lips. Don't forget your lips. Also, when you cleanse your face, definitely cleanse your neck. So you do it in an upward motion also for your neck. One caution is that you don't want to use the baking soda every day in this form unless you're going to liquefy it with water. So you will definitely rinse it off with warm water. You can use room temperature water also. However, warm water would be best. It leaves my skin soft and supple. Love it. Another great natural facial remedy is one that we shared on the Did You Know series. Did you know that blackstrap molasses can be used on the face? Yes, it is a great remedy for acne, eczema, rashes, also for cleansing, and yes, it tightens and softens and nourishes the skin. It is also great for psoriasis. So here I'm using about 2 pea size amount of the blackstrap molasses. First, you want to dampen your skin or wet your skin and apply the molasses. You can use however amount you'd like. You can use up to 1/4 cup of blackstrap molasses on your face and also apply it to your neck in an upward motion, like applying any skincare facial cream. You definitely want to apply it in an upward motion. And yes, you definitely need to focus on your nose, around your nose, in between your cheek and your nose right there, and you definitely want to focus on your chin. You can leave this treatment on your face for half an hour to an hour and definitely rinse it after with warm water. When you dry your face, you want to dry your face with a soft washcloth or hand towel or face towel. And it's best to pat dry your face, especially when you have worked it so much, like massaged it so much. As you know, the blackstrap molasses, it is smooth, but this one I had it for a while in the jar, so it started to crystallize, which would make it more of an exfoliant. It is one that leaves my face soft and smooth. Another great natural remedy is the witch hazel. And this is with aloe vera. It's alcohol free toner. After cleansing and exfoliating, you definitely want to tone your skin. And in toning your skin, it actually helps to take off a lot of dead cells that were may have been left from the exfoliating. So using the witch hazel aloe vera formula, and this one is rose petal. Witch hazel, it's alcohol free, paraben free, and yes, it's free of toxins and all of those things. It's gluten free, and it is a great cleanser. It cleanses and also it tones the skin, and it tightens the pores, and it also smooth, and it does this without drying the skin. And yes, it gives your skin a natural healthy glow. You can use the witch hazel aloe vera formula daily after your cleansing regime, as it does not dry the skin.
Talk about moisturizing your skin or moisturizing your face. I know many people may be like what natural product or item can I use on my skin? I don't want to use the lotions that are generic, like from the store brands and all of those. I would want to use something more natural, remembering that what I put on my skin goes into my body. And so the Jojoba oil is one that I highly recommend for you to moisturize your skin. And yes, definitely you can put it on your face. You can put it on your face, and we will do that for you. You can put it on your face. Here it is, a few drops, and it is lightweight. It's lightweight, as you will see, and you definitely remember you want to do upward motion, especially if you have dry skin. And jojoba oil is also a carrier oil, so it is used like sweet almond oil to dilute essential oils. I will share in the description section of this video how you can purchase it or how you can find it. So yes, this is cold pressed and unrefined. Whatever you're gonna put on your skin, you definitely want it to be as natural as possible. So the unrefined oils are the best oils if you can get them cold pressed and unrefined, whether it is coconut oil, and that's also another oil you can use on your skin to moisturize your skin. And yes, we definitely like to share products that you can, or remedies that are easily accessible wherever in the world you are, as much as possible. So yes, it is fast absorbing. You can check my skin. It's not greasy. It is not greasy, and it is lightweight. It's actually lighter than the coconut oil. And it's great for, yes, this oil is great for face. It's great for other parts of your body, and it is great for your hair also. Talking about skincare 101 and the importance of taking care of your facial skin or your face. One of the things that I want to remind us is that you are what you eat. You are what you eat. So whatever you put in your body, it will come out on your skin. Definitely remember that. I know many people asked me, what do I use on my skin? I look so young and fresh. Thanks to country living. Praise God. And also the fact that we're able to eat fresh foods, fresh fruits and vegetables. And also we are able to eat naturally. As many of you know, I'm a vegetarian. And one of the things that I want to highlight today in our skincare regime is the importance of water. Very important for hydration. Very important for hydrating your skin. Many people are faced with or challenged with dry skin. Part of that is because you're not having enough water. And in another video, we will talk more on skincare and food, like what are the foods to eat for your skin. What are the herbs to eat or to use for your skin. You definitely have to drink a lot more water for your skin. Think about what you put in your body, also what you put on your body. And so you have to think about what you put on your skin. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.